hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll continue working on our landing page, and in this video we'll finish working on our mobile version. We'll add responsive for our last sections and also for our footer. Let's get started. Okay, open our code and first let's close header and our first two sections. Next, let's delete comment for ready and look at the window. Here's our ready and let's try to change size. Okay, I think we need to change size title, but we can create responsive for all our title using our common title class. Find work title and here we can change into title. Okay, and also we need to add this our common class for our works title. Add title and delete text align center. We need to create text align center for our ready title. Here's our ready title and add text align center. Okay, let's continue change size. And also I think we need to change margin for mobile version. Create new margin. Okay. We also can to change our button, but I think it doesn't necessarily because our button looks nice. And we can go to the next section. Open our code and remove this commentary and pass here. Okay, here is our next section and okay, and first step let's add desk common class and also let's change our cards layout. Find our styles and delete flags. We'll be using display grid and create columns using grid and plain columns, and we'll be using repeat 3 times 1 effort. Okay, now it looks the same. And also let's create some space between our cards. We can using gap property and add some size like 20 pixels. Okay, and we also can find stars our cards and delete max width. We can use it only width 100% and create max width 100%. Okay, and next let's change some of our cards. Copy this class again and we need to find our media request. Here's our media request and we can change property grid template columns again using repaired, and now we need 2 columns and 1 effort. Okay, and also I think we can to change margin inside our ready. Create, add this class here and change margin. And also let's change some of our cards for mobile version. I think will be enough only 1 card. Create our selector and using grid template columns and we can add 1 effort. Okay, and let's look at the mobile version. Let's choose some font. Okay, I think it looks nice, and next step, and we can go to the next section. Close this section and put comment here. Create comment for our footer and here's our last section. Okay, like you see, it looks nice, and we don't necessarily to change this section, but let's try to create one more reviews. Double this code, and we need to create a margin between our review cards. Find styles our review card. Okay, create here, and we need to create margin bottom. Let's try 20 pixels. Okay, I think it's enough, and also we can using last child and delete margin bottom for last card. Let's try 25. Okay, I think it looks more attractive, and also we can change font size for mobile version. Let's try do it. And change space between our text and our stars. Create margin button property and change value. Okay, this section is also ready, and in the end we need to create a footer. Delete our last comment. Okay, let's look at the window. Here is our footer, and I think we doesn't necessarily change something because it looks very attractive, but we can create one property. We can add flags wrap, because maybe in future here will be more than 4 elements. Okay, and also I think we can change margin bottom because it's too big. Change margin bottom for mobile version. Okay, and like you see now, our website available in different screen, and today we finished working on our mobile version. Maybe in future we'll add some animation or connect CRM system like WordPress. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.